Hi guys, and thanks for joining us. So we're going to talk to you about the Smart Connected TM6 and all the incredible things you can do with it in the kitchen.
Bianca, which function are we looking at today?
Yeah, so today we're going to have a look at the Sous-vide function, which is an exciting new feature of the TM6.
I am super excited about this function because in the past you've needed sometimes a whole separate machine to sous vide.
Yeah, that's right, and now you can do it all in the one appliance. And you can create amazing sous vide dishes, just like a chef would do it at a 5-star restaurant. And it comes out juicy and tender.
That is brilliant. Tell me, what exactly is sous vide?
Yeah, I'll show you in the Thermomix why it's not being used. So you simply place a sealable bag inside your basket, and inside you place your food like meat or fish, and then you pop it back in the bowl. You'll have water inside, and then you're cooking it at a low temperature, so 40 to 85 degrees, and for a long period of time, so up to 12 hours. And it's really important to remember that you do have your MC in place, your measuring cup, while you're cooking.
That is incredible. I'm actually really excited about trying to find some new recipes, and I'm really excited about this cooking method.
Yeah.
What recipe have we got here today?
Today we've got a delicious sous vide salmon to try.
That looks
amazing. Looks delicious.
So that's just one of the many functions of your Smart Connected T6. Thank you so much for joining us.